Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name using your Android smartphone or iOS device. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to actually change your YouTube channel name using your smartphone. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's switch over to my computer right now where I have my phone linked to it. So I have my phone up on the screen right now. So I'm on the home screen of my YouTube channel here. In the upper right hand side of the screen, let's select the profile picture. And then bring up your account page. And make sure you're on the correct account. So I'm on my TV Tech Today account and I'm going to change that to something else. So let's go to your channel, select this. Now it brings up your home screen on your YouTube channel. So you have manage videos and edit channel. Let's go to edit channel. So I just changed my profile picture in a different video. Now let's select my name and go to the little pen icon next to it. And I literally can just type in a new name. So let's go ahead and go to PlayStation Central. Press OK. And the name now has been changed. So that's how quick and easy it is to change your YouTube name using Android or iOS device. Now, just a quick note, don't change your name too much. I believe there is a lock on your name when you change it too often. So make sure you have a name ahead of time and avoid making mistakes. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more YouTube tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.